What's going on, my friends? It's your friend Jack here, and today we're going to be taking a look at some Redbubble shops, giving some tips on how you can increase your sales and just make your shop a bit better, and just print-on-demand tips in general. So if you guys want to see what the tips are, then make sure you stay tuned. And if you want to submit your shop for this review kind of video, then what you can do is leave your shop name down in the comments and let me know that it's your shop name. Not the link, just the name, or head over to my Instagram, send me a message with your link to your shop or the Discord. I'll link down below. But with that being said, let's get right into the video. Alright, and here we are in our first shop, the Cosmos store, and I'm really liking the banner. Very professional and it looks really nice. I really like that, so keep it up with that. Joined February 2021, so joined about 2 months ago, month and a half. Not very long ago, and 102 designs, right? Pretty darn nice. That is pretty good. Keep it up, and let's go check out your design quality. Really like the banner and the logo. Those look great. So you already have collections, some very simple collections, and it looks like you have sticker packs. So you are killing it in my books already. I don't get older, I level up. I like this little kind of design. Nice little like TikTok kind of design, like this distressed or kind of glowy, but I like it. Don't grow up, it's a trap. Some nice images. I don't know if I put this on a water bottle. Just keep in mind, don't use optimized products. But right now, I'm liking your shop a lot. Good sticker pack there, sticker pack here, sticker pack here. Good sticker packs, a nice little mask, and some really nice shirts. Definitely have some good designs here too. So keep it up with the sticker packs and just make sure you're putting your shirts or your products on, an optimized product. Because it's gonna look something like this would look really good on a mask or a shirt, I'm sure, or even maybe a sticker. But let's keep going, and it looks like you have quite a bit of designs. Cooking, so that's pretty cool. I like that. Cookie Master, got some more awesome sticker packs. Well, these are really good sticker packs. And we're gonna skip. You have masks. Once again, I don't know about the acrylic blocks very much, but another sticker pack looks great. You have your shirt. You have your designs on lots of shirts. That looks great too. And real quick, let's go take a look at, this product and see which type of products you have it on. So it looks like you're selling this for a pretty hefty price. Good. Keep up your sticker profit margin. 69 products. You definitely could put this on more products. Make sure when you're going into your shirts that you enable your product on all shirts. So go in there, click the little checkbox, and then make sure all of them are checked. That's probably why you don't have 80 or 90 products. Just because of that, I forgot about that a lot too. And I'm not sure what your greeting cards look like for your dimensions. So we're just gonna scroll down here and check out your dimensions for greeting cards, let's say, and your greeting cards look good. You have them filled properly, so good on you for that. And now let's go ahead and let's go back to your shop real quick. Am I on your shop? And we're going to go down to the bottom, see your favorites. You already have 83 favorites and you joined February 2021, so that probably means you made some sales. And honestly, good for you. 83 favorites in such a short amount of time is really good. So keep posting designs, keep finding those niches that are not too competitive, if you can. And it looks like you do have quite a wide selection of niches. So keep it up, keep going for those less competitive niches with higher demand, if you can. And yeah, thanks for submitting your shop to Cosmos store. And with that being said, let's go to the next shop. And the next shop is Ron2 or Ron2. I'm not exactly sure. The cover, could put a little bit more professionalism into it, I guess. Not that this cover looks bad, it's just not really like a design shop kind of cover. I would put some text here maybe. Kind of indicate some call to actions or something like that. I like the logo though. I like what you did here with this little this top part. Sorry, I'm yawning. I'm just a little bit tired. It's still early in the morning. But we go here and you have some feature collection Colorado. So that's a pretty good niche. You got some pretty cool street names and things. So you probably have some lower competition there. Good on you for finding some good niches. And real quick, 52 designs. So I would highly recommend just trying to get up to 100 designs, and then go from there. But we're gonna look here, and you have some very high quality designs. You have a bike here, and you have some here, and this looks like it is a kind of just a joke about Adobe products, Photoshop, and some other ones here. So that's pretty funny. Just make sure you're being careful with your keywords and don't try to, profit off the name Adobe or Photoshop or anything like that. You know the rules. You can play by them. And we're going to go down here. You have more designs, more designs, more designs. Also make sure, like I mentioned to the other person, that you're not using the optimized setting. Try to use or pick your products manually, and make sure you're putting your, t-shirts and stuff on the chest height area. This one is not. Most of them are though, so I'm assuming that one was just a little bit of a mistake. But anyways, a good shop overall. Just keep making designs. Try to get to that 100 design mark. You have some pretty nice designs here, so I definitely think you can. And real quick, I'm going to click on this design because I think it's really interesting. I don't know if you drew it yourself, but it looks really cool, and I don't exactly know what it's a reference to or the target audience of it, but if this is like a reference to, Savannah, Georgia, I didn't read that. Then definitely this could catch someone's eyes and make them buy it. Definitely could see emotional connection to it. And make sure you kind of put Savannah, Georgia in the title, or hopefully the tags at least, because that seems pretty relevant to your design, and you do have it in the tags. You could even put it here, Savannah, Georgia, all one tag, one key phrase, and Long John Silver. So it looks like this is a very niche down design, but I like it. It looks really good. Keep making designs, Ron, and thank you for submitting your shop. Let's go to the third shop now, which is PopI 198. 351 designs. Joined back in August 2020 with me. That's when I joined, so props to that. And I really like this cover. I can't fully read it, but honestly, it looks artistic, and it kind of reminds me of like Vincent van Gogh. But it looks really good, and I like the paintings. It looks quality. You got some collections here. Definitely try to up your collections if you can, just so they fill the screen. Looks a bit weird when they're not full, but not a big deal. Anyways, let's carry on. And once again, definitely pick your products and put them on things intentionally. I wouldn't suggest, these pillows, the dresses. These look like they're meant for dresses, so I'm not going to say don't put them on dresses. But like things like this on your phone case, certain things don't really look that great. So I would highly recommend you pick which products these are going on to. If you're going to do like paintings in acrylic, or acrylic painting right here, it says put it on an acrylic block, or put it on a artboard. Put it on something that's a bit more, going to sell more likely. I don't think many people are going to buy a pin with a painting like this on it, personally. So just think of who your target audience is and what they're going to be buying and what they are going to want when you are looking at, products to buy your designs on. And keep that in mind when you're picking your, actual product, which one you're going to put it on, which ones sell and which ones probably aren't going to sell very well, like these blankets. Blankets don't sell that much because they're very expensive. This one looks really good though. And pillows don't sell that much either. So keep that in mind. You have a little bit, you have some greeting cards here. Greeting cards are great. Make sure you're just putting your design on, either the right side or the middle, or both, or the left. I think you have your design on the left. Here's the thing, Redbubble always shows that other side. So if you put your design on the left, and I just found this out recently, it's not going to show up the greatest in the thumbnail. You can change which thumbnail shows, however. Kind of, not directly, but you can make it so they can actually see your mug. However, if you're going to make your optimized product your mug, then definitely put the design on the right side, so it's going to show up in the Redbubble product. And holy crap, I'm yawning a lot today. But yeah, let's keep scrolling, and you have some nice designs here. Pizza's my Valentine, Pizza's my Valentine. Definitely would do some sticker packs. Oh, never mind, you have sticker packs. So good job on the sticker packs. I'm going to scroll down to the very bottom. Make sure you're picking your products, really. It's the only main thing I can give you. 1,000 favorites. So maybe I'm wrong. Maybe you should just stick to what you're doing because you have a lot of favorites. Maybe it's these dresses that are selling a lot, but you have been doing something right. And whatever is working, if it's the dresses, if it's these other things, then 100% keep doing this, right? If it's these patterns seem to be really good. Really, I think all these patterns are on your best selling tab. So keep up the patterns on phone cases and dresses and maybe masks. And keep doing that because it looks like it's working really well. And I'm not even sure what your tags are for something like this. Abstract, dancing, girl A-line dress. I'm gonna scroll down here. Abstract dancing girls, colorful passion perfect. So you don't even have that much niche down tags, but it seems like this design is doing pretty well, and it does look really good. So keep up the great work over there on the dresses, and thank you for submitting your shop. Let's go to the fourth and final shop now, which is Keely Barton with over 100 designs. And I love this, I like this little banner aesthetic shit. Oh, YouTube, you didn't hear that, YouTube, okay? I swore, and I'm gonna get demonetized now. But anyways, let's look around here. So nice pastels, colors, looks good. And we're gonna scroll down here. Bestsellers, nice little collection. All these are looking pretty cool. Some memes. And we're gonna scroll down here. More collections, astrology, sticker packs, bestsellers. So you definitely have a kind of aesthetic vibe to your shop. And we're gonna scroll down here some more. You got some memes. Just be careful with your property rights for the memes. However, they are probably pretty funny, and people will buy them because they're funny. But let's just scroll down here. You have Kermit. I don't know if you hand drew that or whatever. But we're gonna keep going. You have a lot of stickers, and I'm loving the stickers. Just be careful with these designs, even if they are fan art. You really got to be careful. Oh, especially Among Us. I would not even try Among Us, because if you do, you could get your account banned. It's not worth it. So be careful with your designs and your copyright material. There is a lot of copyright material in this shop. However, you do have a lot of sticker packs. You are doing a lot of things right, and I can't fault you for all these really good stickers. They're amazing. Just don't want to get your shop taken down for a simple design like this. And we're gonna go to favorites. 3,000 favorites. And yeah, honestly, I kind of expected that. You have a lot of really good looking stickers. And also, to be honest, when someone does have copyright material in their shop, it is a lot easier to get favorites. So just be careful that you are in your rights, in your use. I don't want to see you get your shop taken down. And I really don't want to see, your progress go to waste. So be careful. Make sure these designs are following the terms and conditions of Redbubble. And if they are not, and you don't have the rights to certain aspects of the design, then I would take them down before you get in trouble. Or if Redbubble sends you a notice that they're reviewing it, just delete it. Delete the design at that point, and just be really careful, because you don't want to get your Redbubble shop closed just for one design. But yeah, you have a lot of really good stickers and stuff here. Kind of have like a aesthetic to your shop. So if someone comes to your shop, they're going to probably be interested, in more than one design, because they do all have kind of a funny, memey, fan design. And I do really like your shop. Real quick, let's go check on what other products you have your, designs on. Seems like you have them displayed on stickers, but you have them enabled on pretty much every single product. And this design looks really good on t-shirts, journals, everything else, but definitely the sticker looks best. Anyways, thank you, Keely Barton, for submitting your shop. I think the shop does look really, really good, and definitely has that Redbubble kind of feel to it. Custom, funny, and just good designs that are kind of like cartoony. So yeah, thank you for submitting your shop. Don't have much tips for you. Just be careful with the copyright stuff. And with that being said, let's go to the outro. Alright, and that is Redbubble shop reviews for this week. If you guys want your shops to be reviewed and put in my review list, then leave your comments down below of your Redbubble shop name, not the link. The links do get moderated by YouTube, and I can't see them half the time, so just the name, and I will add you to the list after I heart your comments. And thank you guys so much for watching. It's been your friend Jack. See you guys in the next video. Stay blessed, keep striving, peace out.